is a weapon of mass destruction. Watch out! Get to work! This wall will be painted. But the police are on guard. You and your street art again. Stop damaging the city buildings. You should first learn how to paint. Miss Blondie is Van Gogh's distant relative, and she owns an art school. She can quickly turn vandals into real artists. And now work at your easels. Welcome to the world of art. Why will you teach us? We can spray paint anything. Or we can use a brush. But our teacher has different methods. You don't need any boring supplies. Today, we paint with whatever we have on hand. Hot glue a cap to the bottom of a plastic cup. Make holes around it with the heated nozzle of a glue gun. Turn the cup over and place it in the center of a canvas. Pour liquid acrylic paints into it, making layers. Watch how it pours onto the canvas. Remove the cup and slightly tilt the canvas to spread the paint over the whole surface. Meg creates an abstract masterpiece. Her painting is chaotic, just like her thoughts, but it looks nice. And this painting is made with a juicer. Place a lemon squeezer on a clean canvas. Pour liquid acrylic paint onto it. And cover the entire canvas with paint. Who would have thought that a juicer is so talented? I'll paint an orange garden next time I make juice. It turns out great. You can't paint it on a wall. We are using pastels in today's class. We wish we could get rid of this task and this school. I don't have any more pastel. Is the class over? Don't even get your hopes up. You can easily get some DIY pastel. Mix 7 ounces of plaster with 9 ounces of water. Dilute gouache with water. And add a few spoons of plaster. Mix it well. Place the mass into a mold. Use different gouache colors to make different pastels. Let it set for 3 days. Put the ready pastels into a box. Your pastels are so nice! These are some real star colors. We can make masterpieces with them. At our art school, you can't only draw on canvases, but also on vases. Do you like this design? The students love it! Hold on, you haven't even seen the technique yet! This colorful process is so hypnotizing! Turn a ceramic vase over with its bottom up and place it on a rotating cake stand. Spin the stand and pour liquid acrylic paint of a few colors onto the vase. Coat the vase with acrylic polish when the paint is dry. Let's start creating! Give everyone a rotating stand. A cup with paint. And the most important member of the show, a vase. Here we go! Wow! Beauty pours down the vase and creates a nice pattern. The important thing is to keep spinning the stand. That's a real art fountain. These marble drips on vases are mesmerizing. It's like art therapy. There are so many mysterious art techniques. For example, Miss Blondie is painting on Meg's face with invisible paint. It looks like she's deep into art and she's not coming back ever again. What are you doing? There is nothing here. Right, till the lights go off. Ah! Oh my goodness! Meg looks like a ghost. The artist used paint that can only be seen in the dark. What a tricky prank! Miss Smith went shopping for an art class. Does our painter actually have such a plain and boring white bag? That won't do! Holy Monet! We need to change it right now! We have a few kitchen utensils, just like you taught us. Put a plastic board into a fabric shopping bag so paint doesn't stain the back. Apply fabric primer to the front of the bag. Pour 2 shades of liquid acrylic paint on top. Spread it over with a silicone spatula. Paint wide stripes. Turn them into cactuses. Add accents. Paint dots to be spikes using the end of a wooden skewer. Create a white flower with the handle of a knife. Add a flower center using a small spoon. Define petals with a wooden skewer. Paint a few flowers on the cactuses. Let the paint dry. Now the painter's shopping bag looks way brighter. You see right away that the owner has a good taste in art. You can easily create a freestyle masterpiece at our school. For example, like this one. You won't even need a brush for it. Pour blue liquid acrylic paint onto a canvas. Use a painting knife to spread it over the whole canvas. Apply white liquid acrylic paint to 3 corners. Create an abstract pattern with a painting knife. Dip a long, thick thread into gold paint. Place it onto the canvas. Turn the canvas and gradually remove the thread. Flick some paint off of a brush. Wow! Tin admires the work of our painter, but Megan has seen better. An art accident! Oops! Everything is mixed up! Just look at it! Now we have 2 pounds of colored semolina. We need to use it for a picture. I bet our teacher will like it. Dilute acrylic paint with rubbing alcohol. Mix it well. Put semolina into the solution and stir it until it's completely covered. Put it through a sieve to get rid of lumps. Make semolina of different colors. Coat a drawing with glue and sprinkle with the colored semolina. Attach thread to make an outline. And add parts of a cute face. Our masterpiece is all done! Awesome! This technique is so unusual. Semolina graphic is a new kind of modern art. It's an A+, guys! The friends are using pastels. So what style is that? Cave painting? And what are you spending your supplies on? Now the professional will show you a style that is actually unique. Art on sandpaper. Ooh, it will be sharp. Draw a sketch in pencil on a sheet of fine sandpaper. Color it with pastels. Blend it with your fingers. Add white highlights and a purple beach. Draw a tree at the front. Secure the drawing with hairspray. Sharp moves, rough surface, bright colors. This style is not for the weak. Sandpaper will show what kind of artist you are. Oh, maestro, it's so bright! Your drawing is amazing! Meg is distracting her partner all the time. There you go! What have you done? My painting is ruined! Not at all! Let's turn your landscape into polar lights. Make waves on a black canvas using a dry brush and white paint. Add lines starting from the waves up to the top with different shades of blue. Create an effect of polar lights. Paint blue snow at the bottom and blue spruce trees covered with snow. Paint a white bear at the center. Yay! The painting is saved! Good job! Meg is a nice art crisis manager. Painting without a rest is so tiring, but Miss Blondie doesn't sleep. Pick out tools and create. Will we be really using this? What can you do with a paint roller and a painting knife? Another masterpiece! The important thing is to work together. Apply dots of acrylic paint onto a canvas. Spread it over with a painting knife. Move a small paint roller over it. Join the colors together. You get an amazing blue sky. Flick yellow paint off of a brush. Create a starry sky. Add a few bright stars. Apply 3 dots with dark paint and use a painting knife to turn them into spruce trees. Modern art is extremely competitive. The creators are fighting over paintings again. My paint roller challenges you to a battle, you miserable painting knife! Defend yourself! Calm down! Stop the fight and give me back my easel! You are fighting for no reason! The painting turned out nice! We just have to add a finishing touch with a brush. And a forest landscape is all done! Well done! Your course at Miss Blondie's school is over. The guys acknowledge the power of art. Did you like our drawing hacks? Then comment below what new technique you'd use in your painting. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss handy life hacks from Troom.